Hey everyone, welcome back. Google has launched powerful AI-driven image editing features to its Gemini app on iPhone, thereby giving you the ability to modify both personal and AI-generated images directly within the app. With this new functionality, you can now change backgrounds, replace objects, or even add new elements to existing photos. You can also upload your own pictures and ask Gemini to apply visual changes like trying out different hair colors or styles using natural language prompts. To ensure transparency, all images created or edited through Gemini will carry invisible Synth ID digital watermarks. Google also said it's currently testing visual watermarks for AI generated content. The feature is rolling out now and will support more than 45 languages in the coming weeks. In addition to the editing tools, Google is enhancing the Gemini app on iOS with new home screen widgets. These widgets offer quick access to features like the camera, file sharing, Gemini live conversations, and the microphone without needing to open the app on your iPhone. The widgets require iOS 17 or later and are set to be available to all eligible users by next week. First introduced to iPhone users in November 2024, the Gemini app already supports dynamic Iceland integration and Gemini Live. These updates are part of Google's ongoing push to bring the iOS version of Gemini app up to par with its Android counterpart. So keep an eye out for these exciting new features as Gemini continues to evolve across Apple devices, and make sure to share your feedback as well. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.